So let's change gears and check out a couple other features here. So I've updated the project to have a navigation with some just painfully simple routing here using a get param page. I think it's it'll get the point across. So if we refresh, we've got page 1, page 2, and we've got our home page. So I've also added a counter component, and it's actually two counters, a local and a global one. So global is pulling in some svelte.ts here, super simple global state, which is just a value. So let's try adding that to our page. So come in here, say svelte SSR lib counter, and let's just put it on both of these pages. Oh, we lost our H1 on page 1. That's okay, we don't need it. So page 1, we got local count and global count. But when we come over here to page 2, we lost our global count because we did a full server round trip and we rendered this and the server didn't know about our local client state. So I wanted to highlight that Svelte Archipelago is going to play well with other libraries. So you may have heard of HTMX, probably needs no introduction. It's a very popular library these days. But let's go ahead and just bring HTMX in. And then we're going to use an attribute, hxBoost. If you don't know what hxBoost does, it's sort of like turbo links, if you ever used that. In the past, it was popular with Rails. It's going to intercept our navigation events here, and it's going to send them to the server as Ajax. And then it's going to patch the DOM with the body of the requested page. It's basically like a sort of simple way of turning your regular HTML links into client-side navigation. So in our case, what's going to happen if we go, here we are on page 1, let's boost up the global count, and look at that, we didn't lose the global count because we're still on this page. If we check our network tab and look at the JS files, let's go to home. So if I refresh the page, this is everything we got. We got HTMX, we got our hydration function, we got some chunks from our bundle. Notably here we got the puzzle component. If we go over to page 1, we didn't reload everything, right? We just got counter and global count. Now, and our style here. When we go to page 2, nothing. We already have all this stuff. And so you can see it's going to be very similar to SvelteKit or any other client-side router, except that we're server rendering from any backend language.